Ever wish you could easily create sales outreach sequences that actually get responses and do it in seconds instead of hours? Watch this. Let's try something ambitious. Create an outreach sequence for Bill Gates. Check this out. Most reps spend half their day researching and writing emails like this. Our Copilot, 30 seconds flat. Now for the follow-up. Create a LinkedIn message that builds on our email. Need to tweak it? Just tell the Copilot what to change. Look at that, a complete sequence ready to go. No templates, no guesswork. Think of it as your personal sales assistant that knows a lot about your prospect and your solution. Here's the cool part, building this is super simple. Drop in your description, add a photo, set your basic instructions. Toggle these advanced features based on what you need. For sales, we definitely want that internet research capability. Feed it your sales playbooks and product knowledge, and it'll craft outreach that resonates every single time. Visit us at fuelix.ai to learn more.